Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. We're in Pennsylvania today, section 2 of the PA Wilds. Yesterday, I gotta admit, didn't think it was so wild, thought it was tame. Trails were real easy, no problems. Now the red sections, the more advanced sections were for groups of bikes and maybe even smaller bikes, just simply because of the mud and ruts. Me and being solo with 70 pounds of gear packed on the back, I'm not getting stuck off in them trails that hardly nobody goes to just test my grit. I know where my grit is. I'm just out here exploring, having a good time. So this morning, woke up. This is my campground right here. Had it right there, my tent and everything. We did get everything up, no footprint, so we got everything out of here. We're going to take this and find a garbage can for it. Anyway, woke up this morning early, maybe around 5:30, 6 o'clock, to a rustling sound. I just thought maybe campers had come in a little bit late and had the spot next to me and they were breaking down camp. Was I wrong? A black bear decided to just kind of visit me. Well, not really me, but around me. It was about 50 feet away. I'm assuming it was rustling around right over here somewhere. Came up this road right here and started sniffing this tree. Now this tree has some old turkey tail on it that it was sniffing on. And as you can tell, it's a little bit too old to do anything with. Not exactly fresh, but I was right there. Now I didn't drop my mosquito net, but I did get my camera out. Yeah, and I hope I got a good clip of it. We'll wait and see when we go into editing, see what I got. But it was 50 feet away from me. Like I said, maybe 300 pounds. Wasn't a really big one. It was about a mid-sized bear, already weaned away from its mom, so I wasn't worried about it being a cub and its mom being around somewhere. But man, that'll wake you up for sure. Anyway, we're gonna dip in to the trailhead. It's about maybe 8 miles away. So this is the PA Wilds. Welcome to my knobby hobby. Again, this is beautiful. It looks like we're going to be going through a lot of mountains, so looking forward to that. Trail's in good condition, nothing really hard. Got the brook over here, just following along the trail, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And we do have a little mud, not too much, not too bad. I don't know what our elevation is. I know on the first day it got up to, I think, about 24,000, or no, I'm sorry. that's yeah, 2,400 feet elevation yesterday. I have no idea what we're in for today. I'll check it and I'll put it down below me and see what we can do. After that bear this morning, I am on the lookout. That was actually the first black bear I've ever seen in the wild. Oh, it's beautiful back here. Look at this. Oh. And again, the smell is amazing. Just the fresh crispness of the air. Oh, look, we got deer. This one's gonna run alongside of me for a little bit. Hey, buddy. Oh. And yeah, looks like we're just going up and down, up and down. So I'm okay with that. Again, about another 37.5 degree incline. I don't know, this one may be 35.75. Not quite sure. Believe that, right?
Still got some way to go. It's beating down my soul. Never ending race. I feel that fire burn with every twist and turn. Feel the shake. And when the sun goes down, all the stars will shine. I will stand wherever I am. Strong and young, fierce to fight. Nothing between my dreams, running high on steam through the night. 'Cause when the sun goes down, all the stars will shine. I will stand wherever I
All right, folks. Well, Trigger's sitting over there all by his onesies. We are about to have to turn around and find an alternate route. It appears that Left Branch Young Woman's Creek Road will be closed at Mud Lick Run on July 7th to through traffic due to right-of-way on private land. Not good. So there's a lock in there, so it's locked up tighter than a drum. I can't fit under there. There's been a motorcycle that come through there, but I don't think Trigger's gonna make it around. And I'm not trying to encroach on private land. So we're just gonna find another way around, and hopefully we can drop back in on down the road. let me navigate for a minute and we'll get back on the road. Thanks for hanging out. When I talk about a sheer cliff face or just a drop off, it goes all the way down to all that down there. All this, there's no guardrails, there's no safety net, there's no nothing over here. So you really got to be careful when you're riding up through here. Right now we're getting into some mud and some not really maintained roads, maybe maintained a little bit, but we're gonna head on up here and see what we get. Every trail I've been on, it seems like there's a brook running along the side of it, either one side or the other. Absolutely beautiful. Woo. I just decided to hit that one head on because really didn't have much of a choice. Glad there wasn't a rut down in there that tossed me. So I've got a pretty straight road ahead. And I've got to say, it's a beautiful road. Well, we definitely got some mud there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Got a little squirrely on me, but that's what I get for riding in the middle. All right, so my alternate route got me right here. Man, can I get up under here? I don't know. I shouldn't have thrown it there. I'm wondering if I can get it up under here. I might be able to. I don't know. That's a long way down if this kicks me out. If it kicks me out, there's nothing I can do. Do not want that. I believe I might be able to get it right under here. I don't know. Got all this. Ooh, that's briars. Man, I'm gonna get eat up coming through here. Ain't no doubt about that. Yep, it's already trying to hang on to me. All right. All right. Looks like my best option is definitely coming through here. That wasn't the prettiest thing in the world, but I made it. Yeah, got bogged down in the mud a little bit. I still had enough knobby on it to get it on out. Oh my goodness, what an adventure. We're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna sling some of this mud off while I'm going. Get some of this out. I don't need to carry none of that with me. A little moss hanging out. Come on. There we go. All right. All's well that ends well. And that ended a lot better than it could have. Crisis averted. Now, we're taking an alternate route, trying to go around that gate that's locked down. I did find one, so we're gonna head that way. Come on. So we're back on the route. I probably cut out as much as I had to backtrack. So we're gonna call it a wash and just keep going. I'm headed to Weedville, and hopefully there'll be some accommodations for some much needed rest from today's shenanigans. If you hung out this long, I appreciate you. I've made it to Weedville, Pennsylvania. I'm not kidding. A lot of partying going on around here, let me tell you. I'm headed to St. Mary's, about 12 miles away, to get me a room and a shower. I am offending myself. You hear me? Absolutely offending myself. That being said, I am going to head on to St. Mary's, find me a hotel, and then I'll drop in. I will say this. I did do 2 sections today. So day 2, section 2 and section 3. Not a bad day.